Hello, and welcome to another Microsoft Excel problem for today. My name is Instructor Powell. I want to go over a problem I gave to my Excel students in class. The problem basically goes over converting a table to sales. The problem here that it reads on the student t-shirt order worksheet, change the t-shirt order table to sales. Keep the formatting. Okay. The first thing you want to make sure that you do is make sure that you are on the correct worksheet. Right now we're on the student yearbook order worksheet, and we need to be on the student t-shirt order worksheet. So go ahead and click that. Once you see it like this, it is now open. Now, one thing we want to do is that we want to go ahead and select the table that we need to basically convert back to sales. That's this table here. If you click on there, you will see that that is a table because you will get a new table design tab at the top. If you are not on the table, of course, the table design tab will not appear. So let's go ahead and click in there. You don't have to select all the cells, but click inside the table. Microsoft do understands that that's a table and it will apply any actions to that whole entire table of data. Go ahead and let's click on the table design tab. Now the thing we want to look for is we want to convert this table to sales, and most people do not know that that is refers to convert to range. The convert to range basically says that it's going to take the table and convert it back to regular range of sales. That option is under the tools menu here, so I want to go ahead and click on that. All right, once you click on that, Microsoft Excel will give you a warning basically saying, do you want to convert the table to a normal range? I want to go ahead and say yes. Once we do that, our table will be converted back to sales. Now, how do you know that that table has been converted back to sales? Well, once you click on any cell inside that data range of sales, you will see that you no longer have a table design tab. That lets you know that that data there is a range of sales. Well, that's the resolution to the problem of the day. Look forward to working with you on another problem, and have a good day. And my name is Instructor Powell.